The Arbortech ball gouge can remove material many times faster than a gouge and is much more versatile. Carve in any direction without compromising on control. Much safer than a chainsaw wheel, much easier to control. It's so much safer you may give up the chainsaw wheels except maybe for very large projects. The control that you have over this tool is much greater and the danger of kickback is much less also. The ball gouge has been engineered to provide exceptional control and balance. It has anti-grab technology which helps prevent it from digging into wood, so you have better control over the look and finish of your woodworking project. This tool will attach to most 4 to 4.5 inch grinders. If you have used a chainsaw wheel to rough shape bowls of any kind, this is a very cool alternative. The ball gouge can handle up to a speed of 12,000 RPM, making it the most efficient and high-performance tool of its caliber on the market. You will find a fair number of uses for it over time. This tool is very easy to use and the finish left behind is very smooth if you take the time and make light cuts, but it can also hog out material fairly quickly with a slightly bumpier finish. Quickly achieve concave surfaces in spoons and small bowls. Easily hollow out and undercut. Create a beautiful chiseled texture on wooden surfaces. Ideal for free-form carving in small to medium projects. All in all, it's a great addition to your woodworking tool collection. You can pick one up by clicking the link below if you think this tool is for you. And thank you for watching this video.